From a technical perspective, they are identical twins, but in terms of their shape, they each have their own unmistakable and characteristic features. The Audi Q4 e-tron concept gave visitors to the 2019 Geneva Motor Show a taste of the first compact electric SUV from Audi. With the Q4 Sportback e-tron, the brand is now presenting the second model of the product line that will go into production in 2021 as an SUV coupe. This gives potential Q4 customers the opportunity to start thinking about which version they prefer roughly a year before the first vehicles will be delivered, the versatility and robustness of the classic SUV or the dynamic elegance of the coupe variant. The dimensions of the two Q4 models are almost identical, with an exterior length of 4.60 meters, 15.1 feet, and a height of 1.60 m, 5.2 feet. The Sportback is 1 centimeter, 0.4 in, longer and flatter. The Q4 variants are identical in terms of their width of 1.90 m, 6.2 feet, and their wheelbase of 2.77 meters, 9.1 f. The two concept cars, which are already offering a clear look ahead at the top of the range engine lineup of the coming series production model, also have the same drive technology. Two electric motors mobilize 225 kilowatts of system output in the Q4 and Q4 Sportback e-tron concept. As is typical for Audi, the driving power is brought to the road with Quattro all-wheel drive. Thanks to excellent traction, both versions of the Q4 accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, in just 6.3 seconds.